Welcome to Skill English. Super excited. I'm going to discuss about the difference between and among. Cause a lot of confusion among the students. But sure, today's session will help you clear your doubts. And those who are watching my channel Skill English for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. It's so important. You have to subscribe to Skill English and also go and hit the like button below, which will motivate me to do more and more such videos. And I'm sure today's session will be damn interesting. So please sit down, relax for a minute and watch. What's the difference between and among and how to use it? So very simple, keep in mind. Use between when you are thinking about two. It's about two, use between. If it's more than two, if you are thinking about more than two things, you will use among. So between, thinking of two, use between. More than two, use among. So let's go through some sentences which will help you clear your doubts. It is a quarrel between the two brothers. See? It is a quarrel between the two brothers. How many brothers? Two brothers. So thinking about two, it is between. Next sentence. The table is between the two chairs. The table is between how many chairs? Two chairs. The table is between the two chairs. So one thing, the key thing to understand about the use of between is that there are only two things in consideration. There are only two things. That's the key to use correctly the word between. If you are thinking about only two, use between. More than two, among. So how to use it? Distribute the foods among the poor. Distribute the foods among the poor. Not only two, there are lots of poor people. So the foods will be distributed among the poor people. So more than two, among. Distribute the foods among the poor. And the sentence. She is the best. She is the best among all the students in the class. How many students in the class? I don't know. You don't know. But obviously there are more than two students in the class. So we use among when we are talking about more than two things. She is the best among all the students in the class. So don't you think it's very easy? So spend a few minutes on Skill English and I'm sure your doubts about English will disappear and you will be a fluent English speaker. So I hope you have understood today's session, the difference between and among. I hope you have enjoyed the session. If you have enjoyed this session, please go and hit the like button below. Don't forget to subscribe Skill English, which will give you more and more. It will feed you more and more about English vocabulary and how to use words correctly. So until next time from Skill English, have a nice time. Go on working on your English. Wait, the next interesting video is coming soon. Until next time, thank you. Goodbye.